two things happened the next day. One was my mother had to take Fudge to the real barber to do something about his hair. He had plenty left in the back, but just about nothing in front and on top. The barber said there wasn't much he could do until the hair grew back. Between his fangs and his hair, he was getting funnier looking every day. The second was my father came home with a chain latch for my bedroom door. I could reach it when I stood on tiptoe, but that brother of mine couldn't reach it at all, no matter what. Our committee was the first to give its report. Mrs. Haver said we did a super job. She liked our poster a lot. She thought the Silver Sparkle airplane was the best. The only thing she asked us was, how come we included a picture of a flying train? And that's the end of chapter 7. So a couple of things. One, you might be able to relate to the story because they are doing a group project. And maybe you've done a group project before where you have to write something or maybe draw something and then you have to present. However, I'm sure you don't relate to having to do 20 pages of written work. This is an old story, and as I was telling you guys before, there's a lot less work that you need to do now compared to, some years ago. Part of the assignment that they did was to design a poster, and it talks about magic markers and silver sparkle. Silver sparkle is basically glitter, and magic markers, there's nothing magic about it. It's just literally markers. And maybe you can relate to the story because you or some sibling of yours that maybe has cut their hair when they weren't supposed to, or maybe your sibling has ruined something that you've taken the time to do, just like Fudge did here. I will see you next time for chapter 8.